everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Natalie. Today I'm going to do gizzard. I'm going to saute it somehow, boil it and saute it with some vegetable. Okay, let's begin. To begin, I will add some vinegar to my gizzard because gizzard used to have some strong scent. I don't like it, so I soak it with vinegar for 2 to 3 minutes and wash it with hot water. Okay, let's begin washing the gizzard. It's been 5 minutes now. When you buy the frozen one, you get some yellow stuff inside. That's why I'm looking to see if there are some. But I think this one is clean. It's very clean. And I'm washing it again the second time. Make sure all the vinegar and the scent will not go completely. The rest of the seasoning will take the rest of the scent away. For the seasoning, I have some dried pepper, basil, curry powder, garlic, ginger, onions, salt, and Maggi. I will begin by chopping the onions. I want to chop it small so that it will not show. So I'll cut it this way because I want the onions to melt inside. So cut it small bit. I have my clean gizzard here. I have ginger. You all know that I love my ginger. I have my garlic. Oh, the seasoning: basil, dried pepper, and curry powder. I have my onions, medium. I have my salt and Maggi. I have my Maggi for seasoning, and I'll mix all up. and I'll put it on fire, cook it until it's tender. My gizzard is on fire now. I'll cook it until it's tender before I start adding my vegetables. Okay. My gizzard is cooking beautifully. I'm going to check if maybe it's tender enough for me so that I can start doing the mixing it with the vegetable. Yeah, it's good. It's ready. So I reduce the fire and I'll cover it back and I'll continue with my vegetable. It's chopped spring onions here. I'm going to cut my red bell pepper. I'll cut it up. Yeah. The way I cut it before. Now I'm adding some oil for the sautéing process. You need a little bit of oil and the vegetables. Ooh. It's already looking nice. And the aroma, whoa. This one is most dry. My gizzard saute in vegetable is done. Okay, this is my vegetable gizzard saute. I'm pairing it with rice, plain rice. I cook the rice with small salt and oil. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy it. Please come and enjoy with me. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.